Aside, look, your brother got 2 stripes. You got 2 stripes.
What's your mood?
My child is red.
Can you go upstairs for 1 second?
No, thank you.
Mom asked you to go upstairs, please. Let's go do that.
Hey, everyone.
Go upstairs for a minute, girlfriend.
Aside, go upstairs. That was the instruction.
You die.
What did I say? What did I say? I'm not doing the counting anything like that. No, I asked you to go upstairs. If it's said to you, do it. Stop making me. Stop. Stop doing it. Let's go. Here, come here. Let me tell you where I think your attitude is. I think that your attitude is that your sister drank some of your water, but that doesn't matter. Yeah. She was giving you a hug and a kiss. And you tried to give me a hug. This is what you were doing. That's not acceptable. Do you understand that? Now when she comes back down here, she's going to give you a hug and a kiss, and you're going to give her a warm hug and a kiss. Is that understood? Okay. Saya. Let's go. Come here. Your brother wants another hug and kiss. Right?
Right.
Give her a hug.
Why you worry?
You tell Papa congratulations on his strike? Good job. Okay, you want some water?
So here's the real deal, guys. Like, I guess that I'm just a more active mom. I'm the mommy who wants to be, you know, a little more active. I want to be outside. I want to still enjoy my life. I don't want to subtract my children at all, but I definitely want to get out more. You know, I'm not accustomed to Southern living. I'm not accustomed to staying in one place for a long time. I don't even take the same route someplace. It's just not my cup of tea. I've actually always spent an abundance of time with Sharif. That's kind of been our secret recipe. I need time. He likes time. But what I have discovered with the birth of each one of our children is that time gets less and less. And I wouldn't take back our children, must I repeat. But I want my friend. Is that so much of a big deal? To want to spend time with my best friend? Like, that's what we do. We spend time. We sit and we share our ideas and our thoughts about random things, about deep things, about spiritual things, and he's not here. We had a job together. We went to church together. We worked, we played, we lived together. That's kind of our thing together. And now we're just not. We're just not together. Never. And when we are together, it's about 3 other people. And the house. And the car. And the bills. And planned vacations. Nothing is spontaneous because we have these lives to fulfill. You think that's funny? He thinks that's funny. You think that's funny, man? You do? Do you think it's funny that you sleep in between mom and dad every night? You think it's funny that I'm tired and I can't spend any time with my husband? Yes. You think it's funny that your sister's been peeing all over the house and one of us always has to clean it up? Or that we can't leave our children outside unattended, so I'm either sitting in the window or sitting in the heat. And you're crying, 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 crying. Yes. Because I don't. I think it's sad. And I really miss my friend.
Words used when there's understanding, pleasure. When words are used and the person acts like they understand, but then they don't follow up with action, that's pain. Every time. And it happens like that in relationships. I'm saying all this to say this. what I was coming on here to say was Felicia and I, despite our plans being thwarted, her and I, like, our energy has really been good. I had a few statements today that my self-esteem is, it just wasn't on today for whatever reason, and she made sure to check it, and she built me back up again. And then we were downstairs in our living area, and Sam started talking about when he dated, what kind of boyfriend he was, and how he would make like these grand gestures. And so all of a sudden Felicia's energy had changed, and then she was flat. I said something to her, she didn't even respond. She just gave me like a thumbs up like this. I'm like, okay, what's going on? So Sam picked up on it too, and he asked her, sis, you okay? And she's like, yeah, I'm fine. And then she just went upstairs. So I followed after her, and I asked her, was she upset at me? And was she disappointed with me? And so she didn't reply, or she didn't respond. Well, she didn't respond how I wanted her to. She said, I don't want to talk about it. And I'm like, okay, I'm not going to press the issue because I know him and I have to go and get some food, and I don't want to probe her to start the conversation, and then all of a sudden I have to cut it short because we have to eat. So fast forward now to this moment, I'm concerned because it's like I know exactly where my wife is. Her and I operate as parents all the time, and there's not really that much husband-wife time. And also, she is probably disappointed or upset with me because I haven't made grand gestures toward her. I haven't even really done little things to show appreciation. Like, I guess I have, but it really hasn't been on the scale, on my scale that she's used to, like my standards. And that's something I have to look at myself with, man. I mean, you know, it's like, it's not enough to go to work, make sure that all the family's needs are met, and go to a restaurant every now and then and order her something. You know, there has to be more initiative. It has to be other ways for me to show her that I appreciate her, and I haven't been doing that. So with that being said, like, pray for me. I'm trying to get this together.
Hey guys. Oh hey. So my husband has been texting me all day from his Google number, trying to set up a date for us. So we're here, we're about to meet at an undisclosed location. Now as I'm pulling in, I see, so I'm like, are we at a jam session? I don't know what's going on, but he's acting like it's not him. He's acting like, you know, it's a stranger. And it's really cute. He sent pizza to the house for the kids. And I don't know, I'm gonna see what this is all about. I'm gonna see what this is all about. But first, I have to pump.
And I swear, like the moon and the stars in the sky, I'll be there for better or worse, till death do us part. I love you with everything in my heart, and I swear if I ain't got nothing, I got you. If I ain't got something, I don't give a damn, 'cause I got it with you. I don't know much about algebra, but I know 1 + 1 = 2, and it's you and me. Baby, since the day you came into my life, you made me realize that we were born to fly. You showed me every day possibilities. You showed me what love with Shafi Ali really is. Oh yeah. This is So, some forks here. Got just a little simple meal. So, for the health portion of it, that's some chicken. I mean, I don't know. So it's a variety. It's either that or you can have, you know, some honey. I forget what the flavor is. Not too good on the menu. I forgot.
It's great.
And I left the rice. This is broccoli. We're supposed to have rice.
Where's the rice?
Well, I didn't get it from this store. I didn't buy it from this store, should I say. So, I bought from Harris Teeter. And I was like, you know, I'm not about that life, so. Shall we?
Shall.
Or you want to try chicken at least? Okay. Vegetables. Choose one first, right? Choose one. Sorry. No, I do big ones. I have to heat it up again. It's not good. Not bad at all. Let's have something at a restaurant. How about that?
Well, you wasted your money.
I'm not gonna waste it.
Those flowers are beautiful. Those roses are beautiful.
Yeah.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Today is a great day. I love you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Let's make sure we cheers with it. What tasty egg? Ooh, you can smell it, can't you?
You can. It smells great.
Tell me it does smell great. To the love and that's love. If it wasn't, I had it in the bucket.
Wow.
It was a little hot, but this is pretty good. This was great. That's all right.
It's good. Just need a little salt.
We need a restaurant in our life, and I think that's what we're going to do.
This is nice, however.
See how this tastes.
It looks good.
It looks good. No.
Yeah, it's great. I'm gonna microwave to it. It's great.
Right. It would have been hot, but somebody was breast pumping late.
Oh no, we don't have any napkins.
The ones that were in your hand.
Oh.
And there's more. I can get more. Babe, if this wasn't so hot.
I really like this.
But yes, it's strong.
It is. It's very delicious. The bottle looks pretty good. To a wonderful husband.
To a wonderful wife. Happy life. This is life with Mr. Aim for I Am.
Whoa, that is powerful. This is who tricking it up. You bought me some oatmeal cookies.
Yes.
It's not the one we got. It's kind of hard. Hey,
Well,
I'm around for these.
you are? You like those?
It is so good. It's not as good as the one we had last night.
You've been on oatmeal raisin.
I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it.
Mm.
I'm gonna save it for tonight. So good. I think I'm living in oatmeal.
You living in oatmeal zone? Would you try a sugar cookie?
Sure.
I know, right? It's the little things. It's the little things. It is the little things trying to do it. Little delicacies.
That was good. I don't even like sugar.
I know.
That was nice and soft. It melted on your tongue. Oh my God, that was good. Are we supposed to be taking these to the kids?
Yes. I was supposed to take one sugar cookie to Sam. I'm not supposed to. He doesn't know, but.
Be nice. He's
Right.
babysitting.
Right.
Oh, babe, one?
That's his payment. Here's a sugar cookie. Thanks for watching my kids.
I don't know about one. Them too good for one.
I know. Well, that's all he gonna get out of me is one. My pockets say one.
Thank you, baby.
Yes.
Really nice.
Yes.
I don't want to leave. It's so relaxing.
I know the music is over now. It's okay.
No, it's not.
Now all I hear is car. We have the music of our hearts. Yes, we do.
This is all I want from you.
Right. Kind, considerate.
You don't have to buy
Gestures.
flowers and fruit. This is in itself. This is nice.
Yes.
But I'm not gonna give.
Okay.